Good morning, student. I am going to start exercise 6.3 lines and angles. Question number 1. In the given figure, triangle PQR, QP is produced to S and RQ is produced to T. Make an angle SPR and PQP. Angle SPR is equal to 135 degree and angle PQT is equal to 110 degree. Find angle PRQ means find out this angle PRQ. Then first of all you find out the value of angle QPR. Value take angle SPR and angle RPQ or QPR. This makes 180 degree because these are linear pair angles, and you find out angle QPR from here. When you find out angle QPR, then by the property of exterior angle property, you also find angle PRQ because exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Interior opposite angle, this sum is equal to this because this is the exterior angle and these are interior opposite angle of this angle. Okay, then we are going to write angle SPR, angle SPR plus angle QPR is equal to 180 degree. Angle SPR plus angle QPR means this angle plus this angle is 180 degree because linear pair angle by the property of linear pair angle. Angle SPR is 135 degree plus angle QPR is unknown is equal to 180 degree. Then angle QPR is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. You get 10 minus 5, 5 and 7 minus 3, 4, 45 degree. Angle QPR is 45 degree. Then you write angle QPR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ. Angle PRQ is equal to angle PQT. Angle PQT by exterior angle property. By exterior angle property, this angle is equal to the sum of these two angles. Then angle QPR is 45 degree plus angle PRQ is equal to PQT is 110 degree. 110 degree. Then angle PRQ is equal to 110 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 10 minus 5, 5 and 10 minus 4, 6, 65 degree. It is your answer. And P or Q is equal to 65 degree. Question number 2. In the given figure, angle X is equal to 62 degree. Angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bifactors of angle XYZ and XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, find angle OZY and OZY means this angle. You find this angle. And angle YOZ means this angle. To find out this angle and this angle from the given information. For this, you write down in the triangle X, Y, Z, angle X plus angle XYZ plus angle XZY is equal to 180 degree. By the property of angle, some property of a triangle. Angle, some property of a triangle. Angle, some property of a triangle. Angle X is equal to 62 degree. Angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree plus angle XZY is known is equal to 180 degree. These are added here. 4 to 6, 6, 5, 11, 116 degree plus angle X, Z, Y is equal to 180 degree. Then angle X, Z, Y is equal to 180 degree minus 116 degree is equal to 10 minus 6, 4 and 7 minus 1, 6, 1 minus 1, 0, 64 degree. Angle X, Z, Y is equal to 64 degree. Here, ZO is the bisector of X, Z, Y. ZO is the bisector of X, Z, Y. Therefore, angle OZY, angle OZY is equal to 1 upon 2 angle XZY, bracket ZO is a bisector of angle XZY. Therefore, 1 upon 2 into XZY is equal to 64 degree. This is equal to 30 2 degree. Means angle OZY is equal to 32 degree. Then you find out angle OYZ. Angle OYZ is equal to 1 upon 2 angle XYZ. XYZ. Because YO is the bisector of XYZ. Right here, YO is a bisector of angle XYZ. Angle XYZ. Therefore, 1 upon 2 into XYZ. XYZ is equal to 54 degree. Means 27 degree. You get angle OZY and angle OYZ. Then you write here in the triangle OYZ, in the triangle OYZ, in the triangle OYZ, angle OYZ, angle OYZ plus angle OZY plus angle YOZ. Angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Then angle OYZ is 27 degree plus angle OZY is equal to 32 degree plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree. These are added here, 279 and 325. 59 degree plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree. Angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59 degree. That is equal to 10 minus 9 1 and 7 minus 5 2 and 1 121 degree. These are two answers. Angle YOZ is equal to 121 degree and angle OZY is equal to 32 degree.